Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is a opportunity from the IBM company data engineer position కి పూణే ఇది డేటా అనలిటిక్స్. సో ఒకసారి ఆపర్చునిటీ గురించి చూడండి. యాజ్ ఎ డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ at IBM, we will help transform our clients data into tangible business value by analyzing information, communicating outcomes, and collaborating on product development. Work with the best in class open source and visual tools along with the most flexible and scalable deployment options. So role and responsibilities ఇచ్చారు ఒకసారి చూడండి. Develop ETL pipelines for data pre-processing and cleaning. Integrate data pipelines with the generative AI frameworks. So completely it is exclusive position for the data analytics. Data analytic categoryలో data engineer position ఇది. So it is suitable for the machine learning and data science students. Of course, CSC students can also apply, those who are having these skills. So Python language packages for data science, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, Keras, Jupyter Notebook, NLP, వీటి గురించి ఐడియా ఉన్నవాళ్ళు they can apply for it. So generative AI large language model గురించి ఐడియా ఉండాలి. So anyhow, so this is the opportunity from the IBM. So interested students can apply for it and share to all your friends and like the video. Thank you.